I stumbled upon this badass mini remote-controlled excavator on TikTok Shop, and let me tell you, it's frickin' awesome. And get this, with the newbie deal, it's just a few bucks. But here's the real deal. The level of detail on this bad boy is off the charts. Check out the metal body and buckets. They're legit metal, man. And when it comes to operating it, it's like driving the real deal. Smooth as silk, whether you're going forward, backward, or making sick turns. And the best part? It's hella easy to get the hang of. We played with it on the beach for over an hour, and let me tell you, all the kids around were mad jealous. This is without a doubt one of the best RC toys I've ever bought. If you're into this stuff, I highly recommend getting two, bro. You won't regret it, I promise.